at the package. Konnichiwa mga KaMochi! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is another unboxing. Yeah, you heard it right. So from my last video was my iMac 24-inch M1 chip. So there's an brand that reached me out through email, and they sent me a package or their product. This one, the USB-C dock for iMac. So they want me to review this product, and they sent me last 2 days ago, and that's for free. Yun! So they saw my video on YouTube, so they want me to try this product and review what's this product. So this is from Minimalist. So this is a USB dock for iMac, and it has a card enclosure, USB-A ports, and USB-C port, and card slots. So before, I want to buy some kind of this dock para connect yung iMac, and connect ko yung USB drive ko sa iMac. So ayun. Yeah, that's it. So if you want to see what's inside this box, let's keep on watching. So it's time to see what's inside the box. So this 7-in-1 USB-C hub is made for the iMac. And this iMac accessory support the 7 ports for easy access to SD or TF cards, USB data storage, or charging devices. So this iMac stand output ports includes one USB-C type and USB-A, 2 times of USB-A, and SD or TF card readers, and M2, M.2, NVMe SSD ports. This one is for installation of the SSD, because SSD is not included in the box, so you need to buy for it. So especially we have the manual, so you can see how you will install the SSD at the back of the port. So the hub itself, it's really lightweight and very easy to use, I think, because as I can see how it will be done in the computer or in my iMac, I think it will be definitely a cool one cool device. So guys, that's the place where you will put your SSD. To those who wants a simple and clear desktop, you better buy this one. Yeah, because the slim body of this universal docking station is perfectly integrated with the iMac desktop computer and a neat space. And the USB docking station is perfectly hides the SSD and maximizes the fashion sense of the iMac, and easy to install and provide a comfortable experience. And this an anti-skid pad at the bottom of the Type-C hub, and the removable bottom plate is used for users to install SSD. And the charging hub has a strong load-bearing capacity to enough to support the iMac. This all-in-one design for iMac has a 2cm height that is like a natural extension of the iMac 2021. So it's time to install it at the back of my iMac. So let's see how it will works. So after I install it, I tried to lift my iMac and put it at the top of this hub. So if it's sturdy or not. So yeah, it's very sturdy. So now it's time to test the hub. So that's my hard drive. So I put it the USB type A to test the port if it will works. Ta-da! It works, guys. So happy to have this kind of hub because I can use my hard drive to transfer all my data from my iMac, and I'm really impressed of how sturdy, how easy to use, how accessible this device. So for as low as 13,400 yen, guys, you can have this product. So if you want to know more about the product, just click the link down below. You will be directed to their website, and just add to cart now. Guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. Okay, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you want to purchase the product, just click the link down below. All right, so I'll see you again in my next one. Bye. Tune in.